Hello. So this is Blender animation tutorial. I'm here to show you some good um, YouTube channels, some sites you can actually get some good 3D animation tutorials. Like okay, this is one. It's Blender specific. I think it was before doing Maya stuff, so I switched to Blender. So I'm now actually is producing some content that I think are quite good for 3D animators. Like you can actually go through the tutorials and actually learn some good stuff there. Then the second one is this one. This one is actually Maya specific, but I think they're the same concept. Once you get to know how they animate with one software, you can actually implement it in another software. So seriously, this guy has a lot of tutorials you can actually, I think, including motion capture tutorials you can actually go through, including splining, polishing, and the rest. He has a lot of good tutorials. So I think the name is Alexander Camporota. So sorry if I spoiled the name. So this is another site, another channel. Then this is another channel also. He's doing both just like what you said here, tutorials, podcast, blah blah on Blender and Maya. So there are tutorials there also you can actually go through all those. Some are Maya specific, but I said before, once you understand the basic knowledge from in one software, you can actually use it in another software like Blender. So these another site also Broken Tangents. They give a lot of tutorials on 3D animation. Then these another one also. I think this one is based on 2D animation. Then this is another one also. He has done some stuff there. You can actually learn a lot. Learn a lot. That's of Blender stuff here. Like he has done a lot of tutorials you can actually go through. So this one also, I think these stores are formally paid for before, but they've been released online for free. So you can get these tutorials for free online without going to any animation school or something. And this is another one also. Like if you want to learn how to maybe animate a fight scene, this place is actually a great place for you. And also this one also, I think he has a lot of fight scene here. Then um the next one I think it's this. And here also game animation circle. They also have a lot of tutorials you can actually follow to learn like 3D animation, work circle, or the rest. Although I'll do some of those in Blender, but I just wanted to see these tutorials and you should be able to make use of them. And this another one also. I think this guy is actually presently in animation mentor school. So I think these are some of his classwork or homework. So he actually did them on his channel so we can follow. So this is another one also. This guy also has a lot of fighting scenes you can actually follow. A lot of fighting scenes like you can follow to animate yours and stuff like that. And this one, seriously, like although these tutorials are old, but I can tell you they have everything you need as well. Even if you leave all the channels I've introduced you to and just pick this one, I think you should be good to go. This one has a lot of tutorials like timing, spacing, um, just think about it. Anything you need on animation, acting, advanced acting, cartoon animation, animate. He actually animated the scene. Like I think he did up to two or three scenes. So seriously, you can. This place is also very good place. He also animated the dance, like a dance animation. So this is another one also. This one is, I think he is actually using Maya, but I think he is also trying to learn Blender. But he has a lot of good tutorials on Maya, and I think some advice also from good animators like from Pixar and the rest in DreamWorks. So you can actually go through this tutorial, like you can actually gain a lot from here. So next one I'll try to introduce it to is the Skillshare. I'm actually I got a free access to Skillshare. There's a Skillshare premium that I was given access to this. So here you can actually see as animating in Maya. So I think I'll give you the link to this, so you can actually register and watch this tutorial. Seriously, they are good tutorials. I think this one is animating a run circle. So I actually touched many things like including graph editor and the rest. Seriously, this is a good tutorial. And this one also talking about timing. So I think for Maya users, even from Blender, you can actually learn the same concept. Once you understand the one, the graph editor, everything. Once you understand the one, you can actually implement in another. Then this one also, he also has like a lot of tutorials: jump, walk. He talked about the 12 principles of animation. There are a lot of tutorials there. Like especially if you are doing game animation, he actually has a lot of tutorials there that can actually help you out. Then these another one is again learn how to animate with Blender. You also I think these are startup stuff. Like if you're just coming up, you can actually check this one. Then there's another Maya tutorial, which seriously I would like you guys to try to find these stuff and go through them. And this one talks about lining, blocking, and referencing everything. This one also, if you are into motion capture, you can actually check these ones out. Then this one is also for Blender. You can animate that's S to show how to do skate animation. So using camera to follow stuff like that, you can actually check it out. And this is another Maya tutorial also. So this for look at this walk circle, antique, follow through, overlap, drag, squash and stretch, or bouncing ball, or the graphics, or all the stuff right here. I will advise you to get this one also. Then this is another one also. And this one, I think he's making his a blender, but the major thing he's doing here is just the concept, not actually the animation itself. So you can get these ones to understand the concept. Then this is another one also for basic training on animation. You can check this one if you're just starting. Then this is a work circle. I would advise you to watch this one also. And this I think is same guys with the previous guy. So you can actually check this one also. This one is also good for a work circle. So this is another one also. That's create your first character animation. Then this one is for poses. Like if you want to know how to pose your character, this is a good way. Things you should know to pose a character, like silhouette, body language, weight, balance, force, line of action, stuff like that. Then this is another one also. Um, okay, our bouncing ball. You can actually go through this one if you're just starting. Then this is another one that talks about spacing, making use of Maya. Then this is another one. Seriously, if you're actually having issues with pop, nail pop, especially in your work circle, I would advise you to get this one. It actually talks a lot about it. Although I will do a tutorial on it, but you can get this one also to learn. And I talked about this one before. So seriously, just go through all these tutorials, man. I think you'll be good to go. But like as time goes on, I'll try to produce some tutorials. Uh, Especially if you're using Blender. I'll produce many tutorials that are very good for you. So I think these are all the stuff I have. I'll share the link to this skillshare free premium. I think for 14 days, so you can go through these videos and just go through them. Seriously, you get a lot. Thank you.